So for question 16a, they are testing you on modulus both sides for inequalities concept. So for modulus both sides inequality concept, we can solve it by squaring both sides. So first of all, we change the sign of modulus, become square root and square. And we're going to square both sides to get off the square root. So we left here is 2 minus 3x squared and x plus 3 squared. Okay, so then we expand this. So it will be 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared. And then this will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then we're meeting a situation of quadratic inequalities. So we follow the rules of quadratic inequalities, where else our quadratic have to rearrange everything at left hand side, let this right hand side 0. So x go there, we will get minus, become 8x squared, and then this 6 go there will be minus also, become minus 18x, and then plus 9 go there will become minus 9 will become negative 5. So for quadratic, after we rearrange everything to the left-hand side, we have to simplify the quadratic. So whether this quadratic is positive, yes, and then the value here, 18, 8, 5, it doesn't have any common factor, so means this quadratic already in the simplified form. So after the quadratic may success to arrange here, we will go to the next step, which is factorize and graphing. So we can use our calculator to help us to find out the roots here. So where your A is 8, B is negative 18, C is negative 5, we find out the roots here. So you can find out it is actually equals to negative 1 over 4. We put it at left hand side because it's smaller, and then 5 over 2. So our factorization here will be 4x plus 1. And then here will be 2x minus 5. How to get to our final answer? So we have to refer to our simplified form here, where our quadratic have to be less than 0, means we're going to take the region negative. So region negative will be below the x-axis. So our answer should be put in set solution, because the question requests us to find our answer in set solution. So therefore, we have to put our set notation here, where negative 1 over 4 less than our region of the answer, and then less than 5 over 2. So that will be our final answer. So now we're going to see what is the important concept here we must take down. We must jot it down here. First, the first concept is we're going to square both sides for this inequality modulus both sides. And then we're going to rearrange our quadratic, the concept of rearrange the quadratic at the left hand side, and then going to factorize it correctly and then get this thing, everything correct. Then the concept of graphing with the value of roots is correctly, and then we take the region correctly. So when our roots is writing correctly, here we also got 1 marks for the answer. Lastly, our final answer writing in set solution. So others answer form we cannot accept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.